Little known fact about driving. Modern car, older car, used car. Now I'm watching this video in Britain, this old steam tractor. Okay? What? 1800s, something like that. Steam tractor. This is the steering wheel. Okay? Steering wheel on a tractor. But look at his hand. He's got a suicide knob on the steering wheel. A suicide knob. Do you know anybody who has a car with a steering wheel that has a suicide knob on it? Nobody has a suicide knob on their steering wheel. Why? Because people think it's illegal. It's not illegal anywhere. Why people don't have suicide knobs on their steering wheel is because of the term suicide knob. So therefore they think if they put that knob on their steering wheel, they will commit suicide. That's the only reason not one car in America has a suicide knob on it.